Three young men who made their own vehicle are seeking your assistance.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Romario Mari Llewellyn, Anthony Peart and Demar Hewitt are hailed as celebrities in their garden pen community. The trio are the owners of a motorized four-wheel vehicle that they have constructed from scratch. We are fascinated with cars, so we watch YouTube a lot. So that is where the idea came from, and we made it last year, February. "20-year-old Romario holds a certificate in mechanics, which he obtained from the Young Men's Christian Association, YMCA, in Spanish Town. Since constructing the machine, the trio have been benefiting financially from their creation. It only takes $300 to fill the tank that is attached to the vehicle, and according to them, that is enough to last for a few days. Them have a little fun thing on the playfield every Sunday, and me and my friend them I think say it would be a good little way to make a change for ourselves. We charge 3 bills for a ride, and one day we make $10,000. So it's a good little business venture. They, however, are fully aware that the bike will never be certified for the road, so they are extremely careful to stay wide of the police and the transport authority officials whenever they take it out for a ride. We not go too far with it, but one day we drive it go on Brunswick Avenue to go buy some food. We really only drive around in our community because, God knows, if the police ever take it away, we would have ball because it is a whole heap of work we put in it. The boys said that it is their greatest desire to attend the Jamaican-German Automotive School, JAGAS, but they find it financially challenging. We really hope that someone will see how talented we are and offer us some form of assistance. We also make bicycles as well, and we know that one day we will be able to design our own brand of cars. All we need is some help. Persons wishing to assist Llewellyn, Peart and Hewitt may contact them at 876-995-9882 or 876-837-8113.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.